Hello, investors and traders, and welcome to the special market report. I'm AJ Monte. Today is Monday, August 5th, and if you didn't already catch the news, the volatility index has hit my long-term upside target of 4188. Now, if you had a chance to watch my weekly market report from Friday, I officially called a market top right across the board in all major markets. And we have this long shadow on top of that VIX after, again, Friday I said we would go up and then start to pull back. I do believe that we will see the volatility index drop, which means that I am anticipating a bounce in the general markets with the Dow, the Russell 2000, the Qs, and even the SPX. So be on guard for that. I'm not telling you to go long and sell the house, sell the dog, sell the kids to go buy stocks. No, in fact, I think this is just the beginning of what I've been forecasting as a catastrophic crash. We do see bounces even in severe down markets, so be careful not to get caught in any bull traps. And with that said, I want to just make a brief comment on Bitcoin. You can see here that my downside target that was set at 60,500 has been reached. And with that said, I'm making another forecast on Bitcoin. You can see that Bitcoin, the low, hit this resistance that was broken here, turned to support. So I'm putting an upside target on Bitcoin right there at the gap fill. And let me do that for you right there. That's going to be right there. I'll adjust that. But the gap fill will be 62,470. That's from the low right there on August 2nd. So again, 62,470 is my new target. I will be putting this out on X in a graphic image with some notes added to it. And so that is my forecast on Bitcoin. If you take a look, SLV is on its way down to my buy area. It's not there yet. I extended my downside target last week to 25.44. It blew through that. And so we're having a 1 hour long webinar tonight from 6 to 7 with our super spread traders. And if you're brand new to this channel, or if you're brand new to Sticky Trades and our website, I'm encouraging you to enroll in our free 15-day membership. And that is no strings attached. There's no credit card needed. You could join us tonight, and there's going to be a lot of action as we discuss the conditions of the market and where to look moving forward. So that is, again, from 6 to 7 p.m. Eastern Time tonight, Monday, August 5th. I hope you could make it. Take care.